students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. So formula for discriminant for any general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So where b is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square and c is the constant coefficient. So let's compare this with our given equation x square minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. So our value of a, first of all value of b is 4 minus 4. So minus 4 square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 3. So let's calculate this. Minus 4 square will be 16, minus times 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. So this is equals to minus 8. Discriminant is equals to minus 8. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.